Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lacey here. So today I've done this look. It is primarily based on the Dose of Colours and iluvsarahii parrot. So I used the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the lipstick, and also the lip gloss. Yeah, if you like what's going on in this situation, then feel free to keep on watching. So starting off with the eye look, I'm going to be going into the iluvsarahii and Dose of Colours collab. This is the eyeshadow palette. And that's that. It's so little. But yeah, that's that. I'm going to be popping into this colour here, which I think is called Loungy. Loungy? I think. You know, I'm not very good at reading the names on the back, okay? I'm not very good. So there we are. And I'm just putting this as my transition shade. So that's the transition shade. And then gonna jump right on into this deeper shade here. This is called Wanderlust. So I'm just popping it in my crease. So I want to do something on this blue shade here. It's like a bluey greeny shade, and this is in the shade Palmer. But first I want to cut my crease just so it has like a base for it, like a sticky base. There we go, we have our cut crease. So before I go on with the other eye, I'm just going to pick this up with my finger. And then for the bits that I didn't quite get, I'm just going to get a flat little shader brush. So I'm just going to do the same to the other eye. So we're looking a bit like this. Now what I want to do is start to deepen out the outer corners. So just going with that matte deep brown shade first. So we're looking a little bit like that. So they are starting to deepen up a bit. So what I kind of want to do now is dip my brush into this colour here, the Wanderlust colour, and then dip it slightly in this colour here called Finders Keepers to deepen up that shade a bit. And as you can see in the pan, there's quite a lot of glitter in here, but I've noticed just by tapping off the brush, a lot of the glitter is actually coming off. So I'm just going to do some liner and my lashes, and then I'll be right back. Right, so I've done my lashes. I'm just wearing my Pinky Goat lashes in the style Arwa. And then I'm just going to go in with my Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer. And then to kind of put a glow under my foundation, I'm using this Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Shine. So we kind of got that Tin Man effect going on. For foundation, I'm going to go with my NARS Radiant, was it? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm just going to put a couple of these on. I say a couple, let's be real. So to cream contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Sand. And I'm just going to go back in with these drops, pop them on the highest point of my cheekbone. Don't need to put that much on. Whoopsie. I love it. So I'm going to go with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly? One of them. I have not used this concealer in a hot minute. And I'm just blending that all in. And I'm just using my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Put it on my laughter lines, on my chin, and on the forehead. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Light Medium. And for contouring, I'm using the Contour Kit by Anastasia. This is the light medium contour kit, and I'm going to go in with this shade here and slightly that one, just a little bit. To contour my nose a little bit, I'm going to go in with this shade here, the lightest one there. So I'm just going to bake a little bit under my contour. Then I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. Now for highlight, which I am very, very excited about. Today I'm going to be using the, the Collab highlight, and this highlight is called Soulmate. And now if you look at the highlighter and you look at my skin, you're probably thinking, Lace, that is a bit dark. And I would agree. When I first opened it up, I was like, great, I'm not going to be able to wear it. However, just watch. Like, you seen that glow? Doesn't that just give you a beautiful glow? So to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with this colour here again, Loungy. And I'm going to go in with Wanderlust. Now I'm going to use this colour here. I'm just going to put it towards where the wing is, and the most outer part of my eye. I'm not dragging it all the way in. And for inner corner, I'm going to be using this colour here in Paquito Mass. And this colour is just going to be my inner corner highlight. Now some bottom lash mascara. So now that we have done the eyes, we're going to move on to lips. So for eye pencil, alright, that'd be a good idea. Lip pencil, I'm going to be using MAC Subculture. Then for lipstick, I'm also going to go in with the Collab liquid lipstick here, and it's called Peachy. There's that colour. Obviously, I think the colour is really, really nice. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Dose of Colours Supernatural, just kind of in the centre. And then I'm also gonna go in with some gloss. This is the Dose of Colour, the Collab gloss, and the gloss is barely there. Do you think I have enough lip products on my lips right now? I think I do. So that, guys, is the finished look using the Dose of Colours and iluvsarahii collab. I'm really happy with it, actually. I also really, really liked the highlighter. This is the finished look. I'll show you a close-up of the eyes. But yeah, guys, if you really, really liked this look, feel free to thumbs up, like, leave me a comment, or even subscribe if you want. I mean, the option's there. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.